I'm Mike.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we're Van Life Sheldon's Travels. Sheldon, he's our yellow belly slider turtle. He's hanging out in his little playpen here. Today, we are right here still at the Ichetucknee Springs Campground, right outside of Fort White, Florida. And a couple days ago, Paxess was nice enough to send us a pressure washer, and we did a really nice unboxing, had all the pieces, and seems to be pretty durable and looks very nice. But the true test is when you use the thing, how does it work? Because it can look pretty, but if it doesn't work well, what's the point? And since we're here at the campground, there's lots of stuff to clean. They've been using another pressure washer that they have here on site to clean some rocks and the paths, and they use one almost every day here, cleaning stuff around. They do the picnic tables, and they pressure wash the bathrooms, everything with this pressure washer.
Not only are we going to be able to show you how this one works, but also have a comparison to it.
And when we leave here in a month or so, we're going to leave it here with the camp hosts and the owner and have them use it along with the other one. And they've agreed to this. They're going to kind of give us a little video, send me a clip video of what they like, what's working on it. Is it okay? How's it doing? All those little check-in video in about 6 months. So, and because they're going to use it every day here on the campground. So that's what we're doing today. We thought we'd walk down to the front here. We got it kind of sitting off to the side, but we'll show you how to hook it up and we'll see how it pressure washes. All right?
Definitely. Let's get into it.
I got the pressure washer here. You saw it in the last video. The Paxess 1800 watt up to 2150 psi. Works. We don't know how it works. So you saw the unboxing in the last video. I'm gonna hook up the water hose. I got the water hose ready and the electrical line for the 110. Let's plug it up and see how it works. Alright guys, right here is where the water hose connects. Here's my water hose. We're just gonna screw it on nice and tight. You can add soap in here if you'd like, but since we're working on rocks, we're just gonna try to use it without any soap, but that's where you'd put some soap in here if you wanted to. Now that that's hooked up, let's hook up the electricity, turn the water on. We should be good to go. Alright guys, we talked about this in the unboxing. If you purchase one of these, it's not this Paxess one, and it doesn't have a GFI on the electrical outlet or in line somewhere, return it. Okay, this is definitely a safety feature, and if for some reason the pressure washer's not working, it might be because you need to reset it right here on this GFI breaker. So we're going to plug this into the electrical cord. Make sure that it's reset. If you want to tie a knot into it, whatever you do, I like to kind of prop it up on something. So since you're working with water, electric connection, kind of keep one up, one down. So let's turn it on, see how it works. Alright guys, if you didn't notice in the last unboxing video, this is the Paxess pressure washer, 1800 watt, 2150 psi. Comes all very easy to put together. I'll put a little link up here, right up in the corner for the last video of the unboxing. There's also a coupon code, Van Life. If you put that in, you'll get 10% off. But I hooked up the connection here, hooked it up here, and now look. Oh, it don't work because we didn't turn it on. There you go. So it's the on and off button's right here in the front, so I do like that. You heard it turn on. Now let's check it out. There's a nozzle, as you're gonna see when I start to use it. You can either have it straight on or it kind of fans out. And that fanning will kind of help if you're using like a driveway or something like that to kind of, or if you want the stream and more pinpoint an area. So I'm gonna kind of put it in the middle to kind of start on these rocks. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's a nice little holder here for when you're not using it. But let's flip around here and let's see what we're gonna be cleaning, because I forgot all about telling you about that. These rocks have been in this campground for we don't know how long. This place has definitely been a campground since the 70s, so at least 50 years. And I'm sure they've been pressure washed a few times, but they've done a few of the other rocks with another pressure washer, so I know what to expect. And if it can't do that, then I don't know about this thing. So we're just gonna try it with no detergent. We're gonna start on this rock and to see what it'll do. All right, guys. All right, guys. Got it turned on. Here we go. Well, guys, as you can see, that didn't take very long, and look what you got. So I'm gonna continue on. We'll take some clips as we keep doing it, but that's pretty effortless. And if you have projects around the house, your gutters, your driveway, your boat, RV, jet ski, I don't know if I'd use this on my motorcycle or not, but I guess you could, your engine or your deck, your siding, everything. Clean around the house, around the farm, or in our case, a nice campground here in the middle of nowhere, guys. So let's keep doing it. We'll get right back at it. So we've noticed that the bigger gunk comes off actually easier than the smaller gunk, which doesn't make any sense, guys, but that's just the way it seems to be. All right, guys, here you go. Look at the difference. I'll come over here to this one. You can kind of tell it's half and half. Well, 3/4 done there. Look at the difference. All right, well, so now you use a pressure washer here at the campground almost every day. So what is your impression of the Paccess here after using it on the rock here just for a little bit? I know it's not an extended, we'll do a video about 6 months from now after you've used it for a little bit. What's your first impression? What do you like? What do you don't like?
Well, I guess with the Paccess, I think one of the things that I like is it had good power to it. The power, it was very comparable to the one that I currently use now around the camp. It's lightweight, it's nice, it's easy to swing and use. The head itself is adjustable, so it goes over a wider variety of area, or larger area per se. One thing I did notice on the handle grip was a little wide.
Compared to the one he uses today, you see how it's a little bit more slender.
Which isn't normally an issue, but for extended hours and periods of washing, I noticed it makes it a little wearing on the hand. A feature that I think would be nice would be a locking feature to where I could just lock it on and just be able to hold on to it.
But now they make it so that it locks it so you can't accidentally use it, but they wish it would lock the other way so that it would lock on also, and that would, your hand gets tired after.
Right,
I mean,
right.
this isn't the only thing you're using it for. The blower, the this, the that all day long. So to be able just to, I know a lot of you will say you could use some kind of device to put it around there, but just to have it built into the device would be say something that they might want to look into
Absolutely, it'd be
doing.
a
And that's what this
desirable
is
item.
for. It's
Right.
just a little what do you like, what you don't like, right? So besides that,
Otherwise, you know, I give it a thumbs up. It's like I said, powerful. It's going to do a good job on what I needed to do for it.
All right.
And we'll just keep using it and see what else we can get out of it.
all right, guys. You can definitely tell that Paxess pressure washer does a good job, guys. So if you're in the market for one, I definitely give it a couple thumbs up, and check it out on Amazon. There's a description of it and a link on Amazon and a discount code VanLife in the description. Till the next video, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please like,
Comment,
and subscribe.
check us out on Patreon and Instagram.
Hit the bell for more notifications.
And
We'll see you in the next one. Have a good night.